Today's topic is how studios and labs are going to be taught this fall. We are going to honor the health and safety measures put into place by the university while also maintaining our need for the studio atmosphere. We're looking at smaller classrooms in bigger spaces, and we're also looking at utilizing the outdoor space as much as we possibly can.
The music faculty has worked very hard this entire summer to prepare for the fall to give our students the most positive experience they can. We will be meeting with students face-to-face where no music will occur, and then the majority of the playing and singing will then be done online. Every music instructor is talking to their students before they get to campus, so that way the students know what they need and what that experience is going to be.
One of the joys about being an art studio or a designer is that it is so hands-on. And so our faculty is working really hard to make sure that that experience is still maintained. Instructors are kind of cohorting their sections so that what's normally a 12-person section in this room, for instance, will be 6 people.
Typically, the College of Science at Coastal has many labs, easily approaching 100 labs each semester. Pretty much every instructor is coming up with some unique things that work well for their particular class. Instead of going away from campus, we're going to be trying to do more labs on campus. Those students who are in face-to-face classrooms really will be doing very similar, if not the same, lab activities they would be doing in any given semester.